Hey everybody and welcome to another video. And today is a special video because it is the start of my new series with Unity. And Unity let's start with Unity. So Unity is like an app that lets you create games. So a lot of games were made with Unity, 2D or 3D games. And like if you want to make a game with Python, it's harder than to make a Unity. It's harder to make a game with Python than Unity because Python you really have to code everything. You have to code the objects, the color, you have to code where they go and everything. But in Unity, you can just drag and drop, and all you need to code is with C sharp, and all you need to code is moving objects or objects that do something. Still, objects you don't need to code them. You can just there's an asset store. You download them and you paste them in your Unity scene. So let's get started. I'm just gonna show you step by step how to download it. And guys, I'm new to C sharp because I'm new to C sharp. I started like 2 weeks ago. I saw a couple of courses, and I it's easier for me to learn C sharp now because I already know Python since they look like each other. Like if I want to learn JavaScript, it's gonna be easier for me because I already know another language. So in this tutorial, I'm also going to teach you C sharp, a little bit of C sharp with Unity. So I'm basically like doing the research for you because I'm not a professional in C sharp. So let's just go straight and install it. So it's unity.com, unity.com, and then go to this nice site, and then go to games, and then get started. And then here it's gonna put you to business, but you're not a business, so you go to individual, and you want to get personal, and then click get started. And then for you should click start here, and then agree and download. Let's click on that. And then when it's finished, I'm just gonna stop downloading and clear it. When it's finished, it should download Unity Hub also, Unity Hub, and Unity. So I'm just gonna open Unity. A new project, new Unity project. And there we go. This is basically the Unity project. This is basically Unity application. So I'm just gonna make it better like that. And you have a lot of things here, but I already downloaded the asset store. I'm gonna show you in next video how to download the asset store because I already have it here but you don't. So I'm gonna show you everything, but this is basically how it looks like. You in the asset store you download everything you want. Let's say you download 2D free or something like that. Super Brutal assets free, and you download it and you paste it in. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I just showed you how to download Unity, and hopefully you enjoyed. Stay up to date with my videos because I'm going to do more C sharp tutorial videos and more Python videos coming. See you guys next time.